This is the elevator at Belk Women Home, CoolSprings Galleria in Franklin, Tennessee. There's the elevator sign, and here we have a glass Montgomery. Here it is. Oh my God, look up behind the shaft. You can see that Parisian style. 2. It's supposed to be this way. Here we go. Wow. Look at this atrium. It is beautiful. Wow. I love the chime too. Here's a cat view. This is a really nice elevator, especially since it's made of glass. Hello. Here, 1. Take it up one more time. Capacity is 3,500 pounds. There's a floor indicator. Oh my God. Wow. This is a beauty here. One. This time watch the button go out. Here we are, 1. We'll end it on 2. Watch the numbers. It's got a nice motor too. Here we are, 2. But out. There's a window. Wow. Over side. Star lantern. Ring the bell. There it goes, and that's it.